Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Oblivion Remastered crashing on Steam on my PC. So what I did firstly is that I went into my Steam here as you can see, and then you're going to click on library, and then on library right click on your Oblivion Remastered game here as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page. So now in here we're just going to click on manage or just hover over manage, click on browse local files in here, and then you should be taken here. So now on the Oblivion Remastered here, you're going to click on it and then right click on it as you can see, and then you should see all of these options in here. Click on properties as you can see, then click on compatibility here as you can see, and now you need to make sure that you have this one run this program as an administrator. You have to have this on right here, and then click on apply, then click on OK. And now what we're going to do, we're going to open up our Oblivion game here, and I'm going to show you, you're just going to click on yes here. And I'm going to show you because there is actually one more thing that we need to do to be able to fix this issue. So we're just going to wait for it to load here. And then now when it's loading, you can just click on Control, Shift, and then Escape. And then you should be able to see your task manager in here as you can see here, which is perfect. So now on the task manager, just click on details right here. Then you're going to scroll down and find Oblivion Remastered in here. For me, it's for some reason it's 2 right here, but you're going to select the one that has the most as you can see here, and also the one that is using CPU right now. So you're just going to select this one right here, right click on it. Sorry, just right click on it. And as you can see, you should now be able to see all of these ones right here. So you're going to click on set priority right here, and then it has to be high. So it has to be high and click on change priority. Then we can just close this one right here, and this is basically exactly how I was able to fix it.